How attractive is the Louvre thief? The Louvre thief has blue-colored eyes with a positive canthal tilt. His interocular distance is very ideal, and he also has quite minimal upper eyelid exposure. Unfortunately, only his under eyes are slightly unhealthy. He can steal my heart, to be honest. He has perfectly balanced facial thirds, only his face is a bit too long, giving him a bad face height to width ratio. He has high-set cheekbones, but he could do with more facial bone mass. From the side profile point of view, his jawline has good visibility. His ramus is very tall, giving him also an ideal gonial angle. His forward growth is very good, only his nose unfortunately has a downwards bend. His lips are a bit thin and lack width. His nose instead is slim, however his lip width to nose ratio still is not ideal. Before I say his rating, you can get your own custom video in our bio now. Overall, the Louvre thief can be considered above average with a rating of 6.8 out of 10. Who should we rate next?